Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're diving into a really common and super frustrating problem. Your Raspberry Pi camera module 3 just not playing nice with libcamera. This can be a real head-scratcher because it should work seamlessly on modern Raspberry Pi OS installations, but often, it doesn't. You might be seeing error messages like no camera available or commands like libcamera-still or libcamera-vid simply failing to capture anything, leaving you with a blank screen or a cryptic error code. Don't worry, you're not alone, and we're going to walk through some systematic troubleshooting steps to get your camera up and running. First things first, let's start with the most basic check, hardware. Is your ribbon cable securely connected? Make sure it's inserted correctly into both the camera module 3 itself and the CSI port on your Raspberry Pi. A common mistake is inserting it upside down or not fully seating it. Even a tiny bit of misalignment can prevent the camera from being detected at all. Once you're sure the physical connection is solid, we move to the software side, which is often where the real issues lie. Software updates are absolutely crucial, especially when dealing with newer hardware like the camera module 3. Open your terminal and run sudo apt update followed by sudo apt full upgrade. This command updates all your system packages, including the kernel and libcamera libraries, which often contain vital bug fixes and driver improvements necessary for the camera module 3 to function correctly. After the update, always perform a sudo reboot to ensure all changes take effect. Next, it's time to check your raspiconfig settings. Type sudo raspiconfig into your terminal, navigate to Interface Options, then select Camera. Make sure the camera interface is enabled. On newer Raspberry Pi OS versions, this typically enables the libcamera stack directly, so you might not see an explicit libcamera option, just a general camera enable. Confirm it's set to Yes. Another common culprit can be user permissions. Your current user needs to be a member of the video group to access the camera hardware. You can check your group memberships by typing groups. If video isn't listed, you can add your user to the group with sudo usermod agvideo $USER. Remember, $USER is a placeholder for your actual username, or you can just type your username there. Just like after updates, you'll need to sudo reboot for this permission change to fully take effect. After going through these steps, try testing your camera again. Use libcamera-still test.jpg to capture a still image or libcamera-vid t5000 test.h264 to record a short 5-second video. If these commands still fail, pay very close attention to any error messages displayed. They are often the key to pinpointing the exact problem. Don't overlook your power supply either. An underpowered Raspberry Pi can lead to all sorts of strange, intermittent issues, and camera detection problems can sometimes be a symptom. Ensure you're using a recommended power supply for your specific Pi model. In rare cases, if everything else fails, consider reflashing your SD card with a fresh copy of Raspberry Pi OS. While less common, system corruption can sometimes lead to these kinds of hardware access issues. The Raspberry Pi camera module 3 and libcamera are powerful, but sometimes they need a bit of systematic troubleshooting. Patience is key. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope these tips help you get your camera module 3 working seamlessly with libcamera. If this video helped you out, please consider hitting that like button, leave a comment below if you have any other solutions or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Raspberry Pi tutorials and projects. Your support helps us create more content like this.